Hello everyone, this is Yamin and welcome to Web Knowledge. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to make table in HTML. So for making table in HTML, we need to use a tag called table tag, and inside this table, inside a table, we normally have a table header and table data, and every one of those table data is inside a table row. Okay, so first of all, for writing table row, we need to write tr means table row. So first of all, we are going to write the table header. Then after that we will write table data, but let's write the table header first. Let me just copy this first and I will paste it two times, on and two. So inside this th means table header. Let's say we will have a name, and over here we'll have age, and then we'll have address. Okay, so right now if we save it, then we'll see name, age and address as a table header a little bit bold. So if we now refresh over here you can see name, age and address, and let's say we want to have some data for those name, age and address. For that, what we have to do is that we need to mention another tr, and inside this tr we need to say over here td means table data. Let me just copy it two times, paste it two times, and let's say over here name will be John, age will be, let's say, 21, and td it will be USA. Okay, so if we save it, then if we now refresh over here, you can see we have John, age 21 and USA, but this one still doesn't look like a table. So for it, if you want to make it look like a table, we need to have some line among them. So for that case, what we have to do is that over here you can see table, so here we'll just say over here border, and we can just say on px, let's say on px. Then if we refresh now, here you can see it right now looks like a table. So let's say you want to have a few more data. For that case, you need to add another tr, and inside the tr we again need to have some td. So let me just copy it and paste it here. Let's say instead of John, we are going to say over here Smith, and Smith age is 16 and he is from Canada. Save. Then let's refresh, and there you go. You can add as many data as you want. So yeah, those are the basics of table in HTML. I hope this tutorial was easy for you, and I would actually really appreciate if you subscribe to my channel. Thanks again for watching. I'll see you in the next tutorial.